Welcome to the Huawei Watch. Style meets functionality in the Huawei smartwatch. With the water and dust resistant design, stainless steel dial, and genuine leather band, you can keep track of step count, heart rate, and sleep patterns can be tracked throughout your day, both in the gym or at the office. Download the Android Wear app on your Android or iOS device to pair your watch for notifications such as incoming calls, calendar reminders, alarms, and text messages. To guarantee notifications are accurately synced and GPS is functioning, enable Bluetooth on your iOS or Android device. Turn the watch on or off by holding down the crown of the watch. Navigate through the various menus and built-in apps by swiping and pressing on the full touchscreen display. On the back of the watch, you will find its built-in microphone and speaker, the magnetic charging port, and the heart rate sensor. A snug fit just above the wrist bone ensures that motion data and heart rate is captured accurately. The adjustable band is offered in various materials and finishes. To switch your band, press in on the pin where the band and dial meet. The band will easily release. The magnetic charger slides over the back of the watch and can be used with the charging block enclosed or plugged into your computer for a full charge in 75 minutes.
Hey, Joey, what's going on?
Just want to make sure we're good on that meeting today.
I'll be there.
Remember, guys, I'm going to be out tomorrow for the weekend. Oh, yeah, have a great trip.
Hey, Google, turn off the lights. Hey, Google, send a message. I have arrived. I can't wait to see you guys. Hey, guys.
What is this? Put your phone down.
I'm here. What's going on? Where we going? Let's go. We're going.
Okay, so my dad is pretty in my parents. Wait, guys.
Yes.